Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on troubleshooting the Asus RC71L laptop that refuses to power on. Let's dive right into it. First, gather the necessary tools for this process. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger or opening tool, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you are working in a static-free environment to avoid damaging the components. Begin by removing the battery. Locate the battery release latches on the bottom of the laptop. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery in place. Once removed, hold the power button for about 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Next, check the power adapter. Make sure it is functioning correctly by testing it with another compatible laptop or using a multimeter. If the adapter is faulty, you might want to consider our professional diagnosis without obligation to identify further issues. Now, let's open the laptop. To do this, remove the screws from the back cover using your Phillips head screwdriver. Be careful to keep track of the screws, a magnetic tray can help with this. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. Once the back cover is removed, inspect the internal components. Look for any loose connections or visible damage, particularly around the power connector. If you find any issues, this might require professional assistance. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenient service. While you have the laptop open, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris, especially around the cooling fans. Dust buildup can cause overheating, which might prevent the laptop from powering on. Ensure that the fans can spin freely and are free from blockages. After cleaning, reconnect the battery and try powering the laptop on again. If it still does not power up, check the RAM. Reseat the RAM modules by releasing the clips on either side and removing them gently. Inspect the RAM slots for any dust or debris, and clean if necessary. Reinsert the RAM modules securely before attempting to power on again. If your laptop still doesn't respond, it may be a motherboard issue. This is where our service can be invaluable. With no calls and no travel required, you can schedule a repair easily. We provide a quote before repair, so you know the costs up front. In summary, always start with the basics, check your battery, power adapter, and internal connections. Clean the internal components and reseat the RAM if needed. If these steps don't solve the problem, consider reaching out for professional help. We are here to assist you with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next part of our troubleshooting series. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.